Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Okay, I just wanted to share you this tutorial that I'm going to be working on. It's a project. Okay, I bought this. This is acrylic. It's called Man-Made Angora. It's 100% acrylic, and I never use this because everyone who's ordering me is asking for 100% Angora rabbit yarn. So I bought this. Maybe I thought that someone would order it, but it didn't. Never. It's been sitting for at least 5 years. I think I ordered this on UK. I believe her name was Sarah, and I bought so many fiber from her. I bought silk yarn. I bought silk rovings. That's how I made my silk yarn, and I tried to sell them on my Etsy shop. I knitted a sweater for a customer, and I bought so many things, but this is one that I never touched. So as you guys know, that I've been knitting for the homeless, and I finished my 12th scarf for this year, and I'm not even counting the hats and the shawls. I'm only counting the scarves, because that's what. Oh, that popped. Ah, that made it pretty. They're only counting the scarves because their goal is to have 700 a year, 700 scarves a year for the Edmonton area. So while I was going through my stash, and that's what I'm trying to use, and they're asking for acrylic yarn, and mostly my yarns are wool. So I thought I can make this a scarf. I can make roving yarn like this, divide this into 3, or maybe even 4. Yeah, I can divide this into 4, and then I can add black yarn. Oof, just like I can add this yarn, and then I can add I have a cone here, a huge cone. Oh my goodness, just trying to downsize SF because I don't think I will live to finish this. Maybe even do 2 of this, 2. And then, what do you guys think? I think it would turn out pretty good because they want thick. And then, I think this would be nice. Yeah, so if I make 2-ply, let's say I made 2-ply, and then it would turn out nice. So I wanted to show you how to do that. I'm not going to use my Ashford spinning wheel. I'm just going to do it on the spinning, and show you how to do this, and it's not hard at all. So I just wanted to share. I'm making this up. This is the first time I'm making this up. You can't do this with wool though, because this is acrylic. I can play around with it, and I can create something very easy, because I did do a tutorial on how to make a super fast, super easy crocheted scarf. Like I finished in 2 days, and they're about 6 feet long. So maybe I can make, I don't know how much I have here. I haven't weighed it, but maybe I can make 2 scarves. Who knows? And I'm planning to crochet, because crochet is fast. Okay, so I just wanted to share you this, and let's get started. I'll just pull up my spinning, not the spinning wheel, but yeah, I don't know if you ever saw any man-made Angora. It is soft. It is soft like Angora, and it does not shed. That's the thing. But yeah, no one asked me, and I don't run a shop, right? So I can't carry everything. It's like I live in my home, and I can't invest in these stuff, so I need to get rid of them because I need the space. And yeah, because I keep on buying yarn. That's the thing. So something like this to crochet with. So I hope you like this tutorial on how to make yarn. It doesn't have to be this. It can be anything that you have in your home. You can mix and match and create something one of a kind. Well, this is going to go for men, so I don't want to put any glitter or anything fancy, so I think this would be nice for men or anything unisex. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so forgive me the mess. That is my packaging department and my supplies, and I have yarn as well. Even on the table, it's a big mess, I know, and I have my printer back there, and I have my whips as a mountain, as you can see, and some on the chair. So I'm trying to get organized. Okay, so this is a table that I created, and this table was my son, and I just got this cubicle, so that's kind of neat. It's kind of organizing. So this is my spinning. This is how I spin my hanks, and I make a cake out of them. So let me just pull this high. So going to, because I didn't want to do it on my Ashford, so let's see what I can do. So I have 2 cones of the black, and then I have the great color that I showed you. Let me just pull this, and I am finding my markers everywhere. Looks like I put a marker on this one. I was trying to start something, which I never did. I always try and test. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold these 2 in one other strand. Where is the other strand? Okay, here it is. So here are my 3 strands of yarn. Then, okay, let's see how this is going to work out. So this is the roving. So I want to make a total of 4 out of this. Let's see how it's going to work out. So I will start from here. Then I will separate the roving gently. Okay, let's see how this is going to work out. Let me just tie this here somewhere. Oh, these are the yarn that I had in my stash, so I'm using them and creating something one of a kind. Just like this. Oh, the roving fell up. I have to be careful with the roving. This is pretty thick. Let me see. Pretty long. This is going to take me a while, but it will do the trick. That's the main thing. It will do the trick. Okay, let me just figure this out and I'll be right back. So what I have planned to do is first separate the roving, and then spin it. See, it's pretty thick. At least it's like a 5. weight, so this is pretty good. Yeah. Okay, so I think I have enough to create my yarn. So I'm twisting as I'm spinning this. It gives a nice texture. See? And I will continue doing this with the 3-strand of yarn and the roving. It does become fluffy, as you can see, fuzzy, the fuzzy. So that will create a nice look, and it will keep nice and warm. Okay, I will, oops, going back, I have a tangle here, and I will fix it and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have been, it's taking a while. I'm just wondering how the end result will be. So this is how I'm making yarn. Just like this, and I'm pulling, and I will show you. Just like this. So I will continue doing this method and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm grabbing my biggest crochet hook I have. It's NUSN. It's a 9mm crochet hook. So let me just show you. This is how I created the yarn. Now I want to do, again, I want to double this with the black yarns that I have. So what I'll do is I'll go like this. See? Doesn't this look nice? Try not to go over on the same. See here, it's on the 4. They're all on the same, so we don't want that. This is how I can get rid of my stash and yeah, create something unique, one of a kind, and then it can be used. Okay, so I am going to just show you how it works out. It is pretty thick. So I'm gonna chain. Oh, I need a bigger hook. 3, 4, 5. See how it looks? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just gonna measure because they wanted at least 6 inches wide, so this is 6 inches. Let me chain a couple of more. 6, 7, 8. Let's try 9. Okay, so on the second chain I'm going to make single crochet, chain 1, turning out pretty good. I'm going to skip one and then go to the next one. Maybe I can do, can even do arm knitting. Yeah, I can even do that. And I will continue crocheting this. The deadline for the scarves are November 13, so I'm trying to make as many as I can as I go. Okay, and this is how it looks like. So I hope you liked this tutorial. I just wanted to show you how you can create yarn if you have any rovings. Well, I just wanted to use up this, but you can make a wool instead of if you don't have a spinning wheel, you can create it this way as well, and you can make your roving and go from there. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and happy crocheting, happy knitting. Stay home, stay safe. Take care.